year.
Yeah, anyway, we'll be editing the video anyway. It will be private and we can edit after that. So, what are we doing first? Uh, you want to review Halo or do you want to go over TGA?
I think we can do both right in the same stream, or do you want to do separate?
No, we can do both only. It can be one because anyway, the Halo was. I think Halo One did it win any award? Yeah, it won. It won
Halo?
the. It won one of the awards at TGA, right?
Not sure, bro. Halo Infinite didn't win any award. It
No,
came
no,
out
no,
too late for Game
no,
Awards,
no.
bro.
It won. It won.
Uh,
I don't remember which award, but it did win an award. Let me see. Yeah, I
it
don't
won
think.
Halo Infinite's EGA 2021 win. Yes, it did win.
Yeah, it did win.
And
Fan something it
won the
award.
Players' Voice Award, bro.
Ah, yeah,
Players'
yeah.
Voice Award.
Halo Infinite wins the player. So as we go through the winners, maybe we can.
It won the award on the Game Awards was on 9th or 10th. Halo was released on 8th or 8th, bro.
Yeah,
And it won won the award.
yeah. It was kind of weird because I think the camping was just
Yeah.
released before
Captain was
the
released one
awards.
day ago, 8th,
Yeah,
8th of
exactly.
December. Yeah.
I thought it got it for the online multiplayer, but guess not. Uh,
Mm.
so, which video actually should we check for TGA? Should we check skill up?
Mm.
Yeah, let's start. Matrix demo.
Yeah, bro, I played the Matrix demo. It looks fine. Only the problem in Series S is because I'm playing on a 4K TV, right? So it
Yeah,
is kind of upscaling it to 4K. I've enabled that part. And it looks a bit grainy on my TV. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to just set the native resolution for Series S to 1080p. But it looks and plays amazing. When play it, if you ask me about the gameplay, it is just on the rails shooter. Like those games will be there,
Sort
right,
of
where
freaked up time, and I
you
do
won't have
believe
any
that this is the
control over
sixth.
the player's movement, but they'll say point here and shoot those, shoot
e,
something. So in this case, you're just shooting some agents or tires. That's it.
yeah,
But that open world, when it opens up, it looks really good.
yeah. One Matrix demo. Yeah, the game looks really good actually. I was actually surprised. I thought it was real life,
Give
and
give it 2 or 3 years, bro, then you won't even be able to see the differences between
Something's
these
weird.
characters
You know, I
and.
read this
yeah,
quote
So
and
what
that the
I'll say is
uncanny
because
valley
we have so
phenomenon
many
that we
years in gaming,
experience
right? We
suggests
can
that there were once
still
things
identify
that
that, see,
looked
this shot
human
of
that
Keanu Reeves
weren't,
is
and
fake.
that
I
we
mean,
should
it is
fear
in the
them.
Unreal Engine
If
5.
that quote doesn't
So
keep you
we
up at
will
night,
still
then
know it
nothing
based on
will.
hair
Ladies and
movement and
gentlemen,
kind
welcome
of the
back to
skin
this week
texture.
yep,
in video.
So the only part that they have to like figure out, the developers, is the character movements. Once they nail the character movements, which is the last piece of the puzzle, that's it, bro. Indistinguishable from reality.
yeah. But this is still a demo, right? I don't think they'll be making a game out of this unless.
Not sure. You remember there was this very old game when the Matrix Reloaded or Revolutions came out, called Matrix: The Path of Neo.
Okay.
It was kind of an okay game. I used to play it. I got it the demo free, I think, with one of my uncle's computer books, and I played the shit out of that game, bro. It was an okay game. Could have been done better, but because as a child that time I really liked that game. So I think they might be able to make something like that out of it. Not sure, but the world is really well simulated, bro. They can use it for something other than just as a Unreal Engine 5 showcase.
Yeah. The only part was the demo of that was the shooting things. That needs to be improved. Should be more free form shooting.
Yeah, and even worse than shooting was the driving controls. If you play the driving, right, it I would say GTA Vice City had better driving compared to the Matrix
Vice
Awakens this
City.
demo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the driving is really horrible, but the collisions and whatever like car damage things, right, that simulation part is done well. Only the
So
controls is really
so
wonky.
the game
Hmm.
goes from action cutscenes back to player, then back to small cutscene, then back to player, right? or is it?
So how it starts is it starts with this cutscene that you're seeing currently.
Yeah.
And Keanu Reeves keeps talking, and
that looked
they'll show
human but
some, like
weren't,
they'll
and
swap
then we
his
should
actual
fear them.
face with Unreal
That
Engine
quote
5
doesn't keep you
model
up at night and
face,
nothing will.
and
Okay.
it's
Ladies and
kind of
gentlemen,
trying to
welcome back
prove
to
that
This Week in
look at
Video
how
Games, the
far we
show
have
that is
advanced as
well,
in terms of graphic technology. And then this chase sequence starts with this Neo and Trinity in the car, and there's some other black girl also in the back seat. I'm not sure who that is. Maybe some character from the new movie that's coming out. And then so you'll be playing as a black girl, and then there's
Okay.
this shootout that starts,
Okay.
and then the open world opens up, and you can also fly in the open world. Like you can't fly in the third person mode, but you can fly in the first person mode.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope the open world is not too realistic.
Open world is, I mean, the simulation part is done well, but still, because we have to play games for this long, we can still tell that this is a game simulation, not
Yeah.
like kind of how we've seen a
No,
video,
no,
right?
I hope it
Because
doesn't end
I
up
think
like the Cyberpunk demo.
no,
Uh,
because this is a demo that everyone can play, right? Cyberpunk didn't even release a demo. They were all promising like huge things. You can do this, you can do that, and then everything came crashing on release day.
okay.
Yeah. So this, I think, don't think they have any big plans for this. This is just a cool demo to generate hype for the movie and also kind of showcase Unreal Engine.
Yeah, it looks really good. They need to make. I think another 3 4 years they'll probably be in development.
So what they did is, from what I what I understood based on the Digital Foundries video is, like they have something called Nanite, where level of detail in games, right? Like if you approach something, uh, if your character approaches
Yeah, yeah.
something at a close distance, it will have high resolution. If
Yes.
you're very far away, it will be low resolution.
Yes.
Sometimes
Yes.
that will not even show up. That's when pop-in occurs. So this Nanite thing, that it simulates that really well, bro. So it's like you won't see any pop-in or low resolution in the far distance. It'll all look like real life, like how everything is sharp, right? Like
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah. Elden Ring. Oh, this I am so excited for this game, bro.
Okay, you can
Elden
see the
Ring.
video, right?
Yeah, I can see the
Yeah,
video.
Elden Ring. Yeah, I was just going to. I have no idea. Not played Elden Ring before.
Horizon Forbidden West. Don't have a PlayStation yet.
Yeah,
Not even
Horizon
planning to
Forbidden
get one.
West.
Yeah.
And this
What
is
is this?
this thing won the game of the year, I believe, right? Takes Two.
Okay, that is. It Takes Two. Yes. This is
Yes,
that game from that EA studio, bro. One of the few good EA studios left.
it's probably an
And
indie studio that was bought by EA.
yeah. So you remember a very old game called Two Brothers? It was a twin stick kind of move. It's not even a shooter, bro. It's like a kind of point and click adventure. Not even point and click. You're just controlling two brothers using the same controller. Then they released this prison escape game called A Way Out. I
Yeah,
think you
no,
might have heard
yeah, I
about
know
it.
about Way Out. It's a two-player
Yeah, it's the same
co-op
developer.
game.
Yeah. So this kind of studio excels in that two-player kind of design, and they'll have some very cool ideas for, like, you have to sync up with another player
Yeah,
if
okay.
you want to play it properly. Like you have to do things
Did
stuff in
you
sync.
did you
Yeah.
watch the voice actor of Lady Dimitrescu?
She was reacting to something, right? I think I saw the video. It got
Yeah,
recommended to me.
she was reacting to those videos or those art.
Thirsty comments.
Yeah, and she won. I think she won an award at TGA itself also.
It's for voice acting. Resident Evil 8.
Uh, they called her name. I don't know what category
Let
it
me
was. I
check.
need
Let
to
me check.
check that. Yeah,
98
she came onto the
TGA.
stage, bro. That I know.
Maybe because to present another award, bro. That might be the
Let me
case.
see.
Yeah. Player's voice. I think they won.
Okay.
Wins. No, game of the year. Okay, something. So problem is, bro. The Game Awards is given by a lot of outlets. I'm not sure which particular outlet will be considered as Game of the Year, right?
Yeah.
Like we know, it's like Oscars and this Golden Globes. Both are nice, but some actors will prefer Oscars, right? I don't know why, but usually prefer Oscars. Like Oscar is kind of higher up in the scale, like. what status quo. In this Game Awards, I think what they're trying to do is they're kind of prop it up as this is the one-stop shop for all awards. And what is the good thing for us gamers is we are like kind of getting two game showcases.
Yeah,
One
she won
in
for
June, which
best
is E3.
performance.
Best performance. Okay,
Yeah,
nice, bro. Yeah,
so
at least Resident Evil 8 got something. Usually these games get overlooked because they're released in the starting of the year, right?
yeah.
So that's why they get overlooked. Yeah.
Next, next to Forza Horizon, bro.
Maggie
The
Robert.
Forza Horizon won for music. Kind of weird.
What? No, I
Audio
think Forza
design.
won sports game.
No,
Sports
it won
game
for
or
audio
something.
design.
Audio design,
That's what,
maybe.
and not music, but
The
audio
cars
design.
sound really good, bro. But yeah, cars definitely sound good. But I
Yeah,
feel
but it's
Forza should
still
have won some
cars.
other award.
Exactly. It's still cars, right?
That is the bias that gamers will have, right? Because it's just a car game. It cannot win Game of the Year or stuff like that.
No, Game of the Year,
So
fine.
if
It
it
could win Game of the Year, but audio design, I'm not sure why. Anyways, it won. It
people
won.
got
What
kind
it
of
can do.
enraged with this It Takes Two, right? If you when it won Game of the Year.
No, I heard was uh, Take Two. The company got enraged.
It too got enraged even before it won the Game of the Year because it
Yeah,
takes two. They are suing that company for copying
copyright.
the name or
Yeah,
something like.
copyright
The
issue.
same thing happened for this, bro. There's this game called Pray of the Gods, Pray for the Gods or something like that, and it got sued by Bethesda. I think. Not sure exactly. Don't quote me on that.
Yeah,
But they have
right.
this game called Pray, right? That's why they what sued that company. Stupid shit, bro.
Forza Horizon also won an innovation in accessibility, whatever that means.
Okay, it's like if you are physically
Mm,
handicapped in some way,
mm.
this game will have some features to help
Right,
you out
right,
to play
right,
the game.
right.
I think last year it was won by Last of Us 2.
Not sure.
Yeah.
And that, what was there in, let's see, Metroid.
Metroid Dread. Bro, you need a Switch to play this game.
Yeah, I have no idea how to do. Hey, Marvel's Guardian of the Galaxy was a good game, it seems.
This,
Kind of surprised.
yeah, I'm seeing it on deal currently on the Xbox Store. I want to play it, but problem is in Series S, it has only 30 FPS mode. So maybe if they patch it, I'll think of buying.
Yeah, and there was another meme for the best mobile game of the year. So
Which
she,
one?
this one. So
What?
no, instead of Genshin Impact, she said Genshin Impact.
Oh no.
And it
Oh,
turned
Genshin is
into a
also in
meme.
mobile.
Yeah, it's a mobile PS4, PS5, PC game.
Oof.
And even on
It's
Android
not on
and
Xbox.
it's not on Xbox. It's even on Android
Oh,
and Apple.
nice. And a huge player base.
It's a huge Chinese player base, which will probably keep the game alive even if it
What is
dies
the
here.
what's the code? I forgot when you were playing that game. You were opening those packs, right? Tech otakus take over the world or something like
Yeah,
that.
that is the slogan. Bro, they were just a small indie company.
Yeah, yeah.
They were a small indie company before Genshin. They had like one game which was popular in China and some players in global and C. Other than that, they were, now it's like
Mhm.
a multi-billion dollar company. And they're not sure what to
Obviously,
do with all that money, I suppose. Same issue with Final Fantasy, it seems. There's so many players they stop
but
selling the game.
the new MMO, right? That everyone is playing. What is that?
No,
Final
it's
Fantasy
it's
14.
not a new MMO. It's actually an old MMO. It gained
Yeah, but it
popularity
got
recently.
like kind of invigorated these days
Yeah,
recently.
and
Suddenly
they
gained popularity.
and
Just like
they
Among Us, bro. It went
yeah,
for 1 year and then
Among Us
got
and
popular.
even I think Fortnite also had a sudden surge. It was shit. It was not
I
many
was
were
one of the
playing.
OG players of Fortnite. In
Yeah, nobody was playing it.
2017 September, I played the game. Yeah,
So Final
and then
Fantasy, they have released
hmm,
their Endwalker DLC, and because
yeah,
of
yeah, I
that,
saw that Spoke Artist guy playing it.
yeah, and
Hmm.
because of that, there's so many players the server can't handle, and they've stopped uh, giving out the game free trial, and they have stopped selling the game. So they are basically suffering from success.
What? They stopped selling the game
They
because the
stopped
servers
selling
got
them.
cheaper.
Yeah, there are too many people. So the queue times are more than like, I'm not sure what it
What
was, but
the hell, bro?
definitely,
It's MMO problems, bro.
yep. And they did not, I guess, we did not expect it. I think it was after which Asmon Gold started playing the game, they got
Hmm.
a huge influx of characters or players.
Asmon Gold is usually gets like 70 to 80k
Yeah, he starts
views,
playing.
right? Any live streams.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. What is there more? Okay, yeah, Halo Infinite camping. How is it? You played, right?
Yeah, talk about it, bro. Let's check this first. Or do you want me to talk about Halo Infinite right now?
Yeah, if there is anything else here that you have played or watched, Kena I have seen Kena Bridge of Spirits. It's a good game, indie game.
Is it
But
on
I'm
PC or is it only on PlayStation?
let me see. It's on Epic Games, so it should be on PC, right?
Okay, so Epic exclusive release maybe.
PlayStation exclusive and PC. There is no Xbox, unfortunately.
Timed exclusive maybe.
Yeah, most
Just
likely.
like this Medium.
Yeah. So it's from indie game company. I like the world, but I'm not sure. There are not many things. I have only seen the demo, I suppose. Game looks
Hmm.
nice, clean, like Prince of Persia, old ones.
Okay.
Surprised it won because it was not finished or something. It was like whatever is there here more. Life is Strange, Forza Horizons. Hey, yeah, Forza Horizon even won the sports racing game. What else is there? Bro? There's no other sport racing game, right? Sports racing game.
Sports racing game. I told you, right? There was it won
So,
sports racing or something.
and I think that's it. Takes Two multiplayer game. Bro, how can you say Takes Two is a multiplayer game? It's a co-op game.
Because it takes two people to play, right?
Yeah, but it's still only two players.
Yeah. Bro, play this guy's video again. What? Let's see what are the new announcements made.
Yeah, I want to play near back, but to get chance. What do you want to see this week in video games?
I think that was the one that is his usual video, right? Where he covers everything.
Yeah, Takes Two Game of the Year. Yes. Let me just skip. Yeah, this guy. The this guy. Yeah. So he said something
Yeah,
previously,
this is
and then he came back and
he
yeah, he
said
said
something
this.
about EA, right? Previously.
Yeah.
EA is not that bad, seems. I think last year or last to last year he said this. Yeah.
Ooh. This one. What is called Hellblade, right? Senva's Chronicles.
Hellblade Senua's saga.
Yeah.
I think that was Hellblade 2. It looks more like a movie, bro. I'm not sure how much of this is actual gameplay. It
Yes.
looks nice in engine also, but what is the player actually doing in this? If everything seems so scripted.
Alan Wake 2.
Alan Wake 2, very excited for this. You played Alan Wake 1?
No, I should. I'll probably pick it up
If
because my
you're
name.
going to
Yeah, I'll probably pick it up.
play if you're going to play this, play the remastered version bro, that they released.
Yeah, no point in playing remastered version. And
2023, the problem I have, just pause it one. The problem I have with Alan Wake is the recent times, this Remedy, they're moving into too much time travel stuff.
okay.
So, last of the two games were all about time travel. I'm not sure how they will influence Alan Wake, how that will influence Alan Wake.
See, I'll
They're
try.
trying to make it a survival horror. Yeah.
I'll, I'll check the background first. I'll probably try to play that. I'm not having many games right now.
Yeah, play the original, bro. And Steam, it's very cheap when it comes on DC.
Okay.
Space Marine 2,
This is a
Warhammer.
DC Heroes, I believe.
No, bro.
Suicide
I
Squad.
don't feel this appealing.
Yeah,
This is
Suicide
not too
Squad.
appealing to me.
This is Suicide
Yeah.
Squad.
Yeah.
From the same players, from same game studio, Rocksteady, I believe.
No, this is from Monolith. No, this is from Rocksteady.
Yeah.
Maybe Rocksteady's second studio or something like that.
Breath of the
And
Wild
Monolith is
Sonic.
making the
Breath,
Wonder Woman game.
Breath of the Wild Sonic.
Breath of the Wild, what?
Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog.
This is Sonic open world game, right?
Yeah, Breath of the Wild, Sonic, and Titans is what this guy said. I'll keep this also.
I think that there was some game like this in 2006 or 7. I remember a game like this, that Sonic game. What is this game?
This one, I forgot the name. I think it was a.
Hey, Halo.
No, this is not Halo.
This is not Halo, but
Yeah, I
uh,
forgot the name.
yeah,
Light. No,
like,
it is a multiplayer. I play multiplayer game where you have
bro, I'm
like
done with
Destiny.
this co-op
Ah, yeah.
shooters, bro. How many
It's
co-op
supposed to be
shooters
a
will we have?
old
Yeah,
Destiny. Destiny, but with
old Destiny.
going back in the past.
What? Okay.
Looks good. Yeah, I mean
Eternal
Destiny
Eternal.
like game shooter.
Yeah, I'm playing Psychonauts 2 currently.
Looks nice, bro.
Psychonauts 2 is nice, bro. It look has this cartoonish look, but very mature writing.
Ah, yeah. Google being Android to Windows. Yeah. Genshin.
Google is bringing Android games to Windows. Who cares?
No, Genshin
What
is
is this
already there
Genshin,
on
right?
PC. Genshin is
Yeah, yeah.
already there on PC. We're back to Hello.
Yeah, Halo Pro, amazing. This game was so good. I can't wait to talk about it.
Yeah. Anything else after that of noteworthy? No. I don't want to talk about this. Blizzard.
What
Oh,
is this?
Blizzard, and NFTs.
Yeah, these people also started launching NFTs, Stalker 2 devs, but they got so much backlash that they
No, yeah, I
stopped.
don't see the point of it. If it was artwork, okay, it's an artwork made by an OC and he wants to
Everyone
sell
wants
it.
to make money off of it, but that's it. It's not
Yeah. There's
supporting
no
the
point
artist or
in putting
anything.
NFTs on game items, bro, because it can always be duplicated easily. It's
That's
not
what they
like,
want to do, right? They want to make these things limited and so you can sell them later. So you
yeah,
will pay more amount to the company to get these items in the
that
first
won't
place
work.
in the hopes that someone will eventually want those things. But no one
Yeah.
will want those
No
things.
one will want those things. Yeah, that's what.
Peter Molyneux, bro, this guy can't stop lying. He is the one who created the Fable games, I think. He promised so many
Yeah, he
features.
asked.
This guy will start this interview. Keanu
Yeah,
Reeves start laughing at
yeah,
this.
he asked about NFTs, I believe, to Keanu Reeves,
Yeah, he said
and
it's
he said,
easily reproducible. Bro.
yeah, and he said that it's shit.
It didn't say it shit exactly, but it's kind of what he implied.
Yeah,
So
see,
this guy was an NFT pro, bro. The guy who's interviewing.
yeah, that's what this game. I want to play, but I don't like it.
Royce was bringing. Hello.
Yeah. Next, $70
Yeah, yeah.
pricing.
Oh no, for PC also.
Yep. They are like, oh, PS4 players are paying it, so we'll put it on PC as well. Ha ha ha.
It will become the new standard now, bro.
Yeah.
$70 means in India it's getting launched for 5,000.
I hope people not stop buying, but
They won't stop, bro.
don't buy
It's the same
everything.
thing with this Call of Duty games.
And yeah, there's no need to stop buying, but don't pre-order or
People will do it.
day one purchase. Anyways, yeah, a lot of things are going to happen. Yeah, I don't want Death Stranding, keep it aside.
Death Stranding is what? There's something new about Death Stranding again. Is it
Uh,
coming to Xbox now?
yeah, something. Oh yeah, I know. It's a bad news actually. They patented the Death Stranding game system or whatever way it works.
Why, bro? Who is going to want to use that in any game?
Yeah,
For Strand
exactly.
type game. Ah, okay. For Strand type game.
Uh, Next,
Yeah, like
Final Fantasy. I think there is another game coming up. Babylon's Fall, Lost Ark. It's basically Diablo or Path of Exile. Lost Ark. You should not call it
It's an
an MMO.
isometric RPG, right? Looks like an
Yeah,
ARPG.
should not call it an
Yeah.
MMO. But
Might be an MMO, bro. Who knows? You can
yeah,
play with a
it
lot
is
of people.
advertised as an MMO.
Hey,
Hey,
Cuphead sequel.
not sequel. Yeah, kind of sequel. Yeah, it's called the Last Cup or something.
Okay.
PUBG
That's the
coming to
journalist playing.
yeah, PUBG coming
Yeah.
to PUBG becoming free to play.
Wow. This game still has player base or what? It's already on Game Pass Pro. I know that.
Yeah, it's becoming free to play. Basically, means it's losing players.
As for you remember the same thing happened with this game called H1Z1.
Yeah,
They
and
made
it
it free to
died.
play long back, but it was the OG battle royale, kind of one of the OG battle.
Some alien game.
Okay, this one, the Spawn. I'm really excited for this game.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go slowly through the video. I guess there's some delay.
This is a very nice game. It's kind of based on the artwork of this guy called it's
Wait,
some
there is
Geiger.
one
I
view.
forgot.
Okay, you are that one view, I believe.
Yeah. I'm watching currently. Hey, this
Oh,
is
yeah,
going
this
to.
is that Lara Croft, but with the guy. Uncharted.
Hey, Uncharted. Lara Croft. Well, it's a very nice series. But yeah, it's
Yeah,
true. What it kind of sums it up. Actually, they did it better than Tomb Raider.
yeah, they did it better than
Uncharted.
Tomb Raider. Yeah, they did it better than Tomb Raider. Old Republic.
This is, I think, that game from Quantic Dreams. Bro. It's the same people who make Heavy Rain and this that AI game. I forgot the name of the game. Detroit Become Human. Elden Ring again.
Yeah, Elden Ring. I saw the players play the demo. It was pretty good. But I think it's going to be very hard game anyways. Not for
Hey,
my.
Horizon Forbidden West.
Yeah, I think it was delayed.
It came also going to be good. Yeah, I think it's
Delayed to
delayed.
Jan or something.
Like God of War. Yeah.
Uh, yeah,
Yeah,
can talk about
was.
Halo, bro.
Oh, bro, I finished the story, I think, day
Yeah,
before yesterday. Oh
yeah,
my God. I'll tell you at the start with the good parts first, bro. That game's grapple is short. There's the feature called grapple. It's like grapple look. That's the best part of the entire game, bro. I'll say the gameplay in
Grapple
this
Hook, right?
game
Yeah,
is
I think it was a
yeah,
new new edition, right?
and it's the best gameplay out of all the games, bro, in the series, in my opinion.
Yeah, bro.
There's
Because
out of all this mainstream
vertical
Halo
movement is
feature,
always very fun.
and the way they have designed that sandbox, right? You can do so many things, bro. Two things that will stand out to you immediately when you play the game is the grapple shot. You will get the grapple shot from the start of the game itself. And the second thing is there'll be like, so in games we're used to red barrels, right? Like you shoot the red barrels, it will explode. So
Yeah,
here you can actually grab this. It is kind of something called coils. There'll be fusion coils. And if you grab those coils and you can throw them at enemies, you can do a lot of things with that. And that adds so much variety to the gameplay, bro. It's amazing. And the open world, I'll say it's a bit repetitive, but out. So there are few tasks you can do in the open world. One is clearing FOBs, forward operating bases. And once you clear that, you'll get something called valor. So if you have a lot of valor, you can directly like get a tank like a scorpion and then drive it to another enemy's base, something like that. So the more valor you have, the more things you can unlock.
it's in campaign,
That is the
right?
forward yeah, I'm talking about the campaign
Okay.
currently. So, and then we can, what we can also do is free up some Marines. Like Marine squads will be stuck in field. They'll be imprisoned by some of these banished. So
Sounds
there'll be an
like
enemy family.
Far Cry game.
No, bro. That's what I'm telling you. It's very different from a Far Cry game because the campaign, what I really liked about the open world design and also the campaign, it doesn't overstay its welcome. Like in most Ubisoft and Far Cry games, even Assassin's Creed these days,
Yeah,
it's so big that you get your brain goes numb, bro, because it's
yeah.
the same thing you're
Same thing
doing.
over
So
and over and over again.
the good part about this game is FOBs and this clearing, helping out marine stuff is very basic. It's not that fun also to fight, but there is these huge bases. Like how the open world is designed is kind of like hub worlds. So there are little islands, and you can go from one island to another. And in that island, there will be like one or two huge bases that you have to clear. And those
Okay.
huge bases, clearing them out is a lot of fun. Like what you're seeing currently is that he broke that silo, right? It is part of one of those huge base missions. And
Got it.
the story is, I'll say, is kind of weak
No,
in
no,
my
don't put
opinion.
any spoilers
No spoilers. I'll just tell you that the story is.
for any
I
any
personally
one person that watches.
no spoiler. Yeah, I won't even spoil it for you, bro. You will play the game, then you will know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
I
So,
need to have
story
Windows
is
10
kind of
first.
weak, bro, in my opinion. So, all I'll tell you is the number of
How is
characters
the
are very less.
Yeah, that I heard. The number of characters are very less. And how is the villain? That is the most important thing, right?
Villains, I'll say, very one-dimensional villain. I think you saw it in the trailer itself. There's this guy called Escherem.
Yeah, the guy with the
He's the
beard.
only the main villain. Yeah, that brute with the beard,
This one.
and he has some like henchmen also, interesting henchmen. There's one thing they'll show in the trailer itself, not a spoiler, called this guy called Jaga Adomnai. So it's like a Spartan killer, that
Okay.
elite. That character is very creepy, and kind of their boss fight is also done really well. So those parts are very nice, bro. There are a lot of boss fights in this game,
Boss fights
and
are
the
nice.
last time, yeah, boss fights are very nice and very tough also. Boss fights. So you will really enjoy the boss fights. What takes the cake for this game is the gameplay. Amazing gameplay, bro. I've never played a game that uh, at a given point you can do so many things, and you're always engaged. You're always making new decisions, bro. Because the way the enemies are set up, right? You cannot stay in a single place, and like it's not like Call of Duty where you take cover and you shoot, because the enemies will flank you from everywhere.
Yeah.
If you're standing somewhere, they'll send suicide grunts, like people holding plasma grenades in their hands. They'll come
Yeah.
up to you and explode.
Yes.
So it's very dynamic in that way, and the gameplay is like 10 out of 10 for me. Even the story, I'll say, uh, I mean, my personal favorite Halo is Halo 3, but this kind of is almost like the second best Halo. Not in terms of story, in terms of gameplay, so it's number one. What I heard is this game is like a 10-year project, so they will release like DLCs or campaign expansions, and they'll add to the story. So the things, without going to spoilers, what I'll
Will
say
it
is
have an online
they
mode?
have it already has this free to play multiplayer, right? Oh,
No,
you're
that
talking about co-op.
co-op missions. Yeah, in camping.
Yeah, co-op in campaign, I think they'll enable it with a patch by next year mid. So
Okay.
that is one thing that they got
Like how we
delayed.
used
But
to play.
yeah, but how what they've already, I think if you start the campaign in offline mode, I saw this rumor somewhere that you can play in split screen mode currently with your
Okay.
friends in the same couch. That is, I think, possible. So co-op is coming, is on the way. And the second thing is, without going into spoilers with the story, the way they have set up some of the things in the story is very interesting. So they can do a lot of things with the story now. The way they have kind of ended it and kind of set things up during the campaign, they can actually go in a lot of directions. So that is one nice part.
So the story is not over, right?
The story is not over in the sense they can do a lot of things from here, bro.
Okay, the arc is
Like
over, you
I
can say.
No, there's nothing called over in Halo, bro. You know nothing will happen to Master Chief. I think everyone knows that.
Yeah.
You don't even have to
Okay,
tell
season
people
one
this,
of
because
this game is over.
kind of you can say this campaign is like it's not like Halo 2 campaign where they'll end you on a cliffhanger. So
Okay.
they'll have a proper ending. Like you can all just play this game and go home. That's it. You don't
Okay,
need any
okay,
more
okay,
Halo.
got it.
Yeah.
But
But
they have set up things for the next.
yes, and they have set it up in a very good way. So there are a lot of elements that they have kind of some new elements, some old elements that they have brought back that they can explore really well. Because this is a very interesting Halo ring, this particular ring that they have, right?
Okay.
This is one of the oldest Halo rings if you go check the lore. So this is the oldest Halo ring that is in existence, and that's why this ring has a lot of secrets. So they can, I think, work on exploring this. What I really hated about the campaign was the lack of biomes, bro. So you saw in the gameplay trailer, right? There's these trees and pine trees and mountains and
Yeah.
greenery, a bit of greenery. That's the entire aesthetic of the game, bro. And in the inside the Forerunner architecture part, the levels that are set inside, they all look the same, metal and blue. So
Yeah.
I would really like
Yeah,
to
that's
have
what.
some variety. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. No, that's why I'm not sure why they made it an open world game. It could have been same as the previous Halos, right? If everything is the same, there's no point in having an open world game.
I would say I
Maybe
agree
larger
with that.
zones, but if you're saying
So
completely open
other
world,
than that, taking out those big bases, right, which is really fun, I don't see a lot of point in this being open world.
exactly, yeah. So no, that's what. If there is nothing else, you have to interact outside your objective in the map. There's no point in having an
And
open world.
it's not even a spoiler. The last 5 or 6 missions, you can't even go into the open world. It's
Okay,
like a linear back to back, bro.
yeah.
Like one mission ends, the next one starts. Like
Hopefully they
it
have
goes on
something.
completely.
They
Yeah.
will do something about the huge empty spaces in
Empty space, I wouldn't say. I would say that first
not
of all, the
unused
open world is very
spaces.
small.
Unused spaces.
Yeah, yeah. And new spaces, and they can add a lot of new stuff. Like
Exactly.
they can add interesting
That's
Forerunner
what
artifacts.
GTA Online is doing, right? So in the map, in the not Liberty City, San Andreas map, they are using the buildings that are not being used in any other, and they are setting up new missions in those.
Mhm. Yeah. So at least, but for GTA, the city was very well made, bro.
Yes,
That
it
is
is.
one of the good
It was
advantages
not
of
too
GTA 5.
realistic, and it was not too
Yeah, and
bad as
because
well.
of the size of that city, no matter how you write that campaign story and structure the missions, you will never use every single location. So that
Yes,
leaves it to locations to be reused in online mode.
yeah, that's what they are doing. I think a new DLC was released few last week or this week.
Hmm. That
Franklin is back.
that Dr. Dre, right?
Yeah,
What is he selling Beats headphones here or something like
yeah,
that?
Franklin is back. I'll try that
Franklin is.
probably next weekend.
Are we playing as Franklin, or Franklin is like how that Lester guy was?
Yeah, he's
Something like that.
the contractor
Okay,
because
got it.
that's the term that they are using. Cool. Hello, good. How many stars out of
Yeah,
5?
bro. I'll give it 4 stars, bro. 4 to
Yeah.
4.5 easily.
Among
It's
Us.
well worth playing.
Huh? Yeah.
And
Continue.
you can also get it, and so that's why your channel name is Cheapo People Gaming, right?
Yeah.
It's also very cheap to play. You can literally subscribe to Game Pass for $1 and play the full Halo campaign.
Nice. Among Us. I think Among Us VR.
Among Us,
Yes, it's coming to PS5 and Xbox.
get betrayed in VR.
Bro, that game causes a lot of.
Friendships, broken friendships, right?
Yes. Alien. Final Fantasy
Ah,
Remake.
this time I was kind of interested. The Greek Memories of Azure.
Let me see.
Alien Isolation what is coming to mobile, I think.
This
Yeah,
one.
iOS and Android.
The Gunk.
The Gunk, I heard it's very boring, but it's on Game Pass, so you don't really feel bad to download
No,
it.
so Kena feels like this. Gunk gameplay. But of course, it is not just
Ah,
sucking in, but the world feels like that. Um,
hmm. Put this on your radar, bro. This might be interesting. Check.
Trek to Yomi. No, this is a side scroller kind of. Not
What
side
side
scroller.
scroller?
No, not side scroller. It is like a 3D side scroller, which probably goes into 3D mode.
2.5D.
Yeah,
Okay.
2.5D. But it is all black and white. I guess they are going with the old samurai theme. I think
Okay,
even
yeah, after Ghost of Tsushima did that black and
yeah,
white mode, everyone was
yeah,
doing
yeah, yeah. Ghost of Tsushima had the black and white mode. What else
it.
is
Hmm.
there? Godfall.
What,
Godfall
that
went
game is
free.
still.
It went free to play, but only
What
certain
is
part
that?
of it
But
went
it's
free
free
to
to play,
play.
bro.
No, only certain
That is
part of
like a
it
single
went free
player
to
game,
play.
right? Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I think what this guy said was they made the first part free to play or something. He said, not the complete game is not free to play. We are back
Got it.
to
One part. If you like that, then buy the entire game.
yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
And
no. Oh God, not this game. Not this game.
which Cyberpunk?
Cyberpunk.
Yeah, I heard it's doing better.
I am waiting for the what the next gen patch. Only then I'll even touch this game. It is a reminder for me to never pre-order games.
Yeah, bro, never pre-order games.
Never pre-order.
Here at Cheapo People Gaming, we wait
People,
for
people gaming, we don't pre-order.
discounts.
We wait for 8 years till the console generation finishes. There's a new gen, then we get the previous gen
We
games.
wait for good Black
Because
Friday
we
and
keep.
Cyber Monday sales.
Oh, I know this game will drop in price again. It's currently 1750 on
Which
the
one?
Xbox One, 50% discount. Cyberpunk, but I know it will. I
Yeah, it
can
will
get it
drop. It
for
will drop.
700 to 800 rupees
I
once it.
think.
Uh,
By the way, Cyberpunk was made for PS5, right?
PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series
Okay,
S,
I
and
guess it
X.
will. Yeah, it will drop, bro. They need if they need players, they will drop the price. And it because anyways, Witcher is around 300 or 500 rupees.
What happened to the Witcher remaster, bro? I heard it's going to release soon, right? Witcher remaster.
No, no.
That studio is kind of in shambles now.
Yeah,
CD Projekt
exactly.
Red.
That's what I was going to say. This shit happening. What there will happen to the games we don't know.
I'm not even sure if Cyberpunk will get next gen patch by next year also, and I have my doubts. Let's see.
Let's say GTA 5 Doctor Dre.
Hmm.
I just want to check
Skill up
the
sponsoring Skillshare. Nice.
skill of something skill share. Yeah, I was just checking the. Did they put a video Rockstar for the Doctor Dre DLC? Some trailers there. I have not checked the trailer yet. I'll probably play it this month or next month.
Why Dr. Dre in GTA universe, bro? Don't see how that
My
makes
phone
No
sense.
wasn't
idea.
lost, man.
They say again, is it some executive decision?
No, they have a good history of getting popular players, right? Sorry, celebrities.
What? Who was there previously before Dre?
Not before Dre. I mean in San Andreas and Vice City and all. But in five there were
But he
not
was his
many.
voice actor. Like
Yeah,
I
voice
know
actors.
Tommy Vercetti was voiced by Ray Liotta, who's a
Yes,
Goodfellas actor. Yeah,
yes. What happened? It went so fast.
that's it. That's it. Rockstar Games. What? This was the surprise they promised you at Game Awards. You remember we were
Yeah,
talking
yeah, but
and
nothing.
discussing
But
about
this did not even come at Game Awards.
what, bro? I expected a GTA 6 teaser or something. At least GTA
No,
5.5,
the
something like that.
contract. No, GTA 6.
Bro, if I listen to that opening of the trailer
Yeah,
again,
why are we here?
why did I come here just to suffer?
Oh yeah, Chop is back.
No.
Chop is back.
Job is back with Franklin, right?
Yes, because of Franklin. Okay,
Hmm.
and yeah, let me just shill for Genshin as well.
Yeah, yeah. I'll chill for Elden Ring after this.
Yeah. If you have any trailer, I think yeah, as long as we are blocking the audio, it should be fine, right?
I think so, bro. Who's going to watch this anyway?
Yeah, we're gonna
And
watch
we are
the.
already having this in like three-fourth of our screen is our brand, our logo. Chico
Yeah,
Pico
yes,
Gaming.
yes.
Exclusive.
We'll wait the.
Genshin.
We'll watch the demo better. No, we'll watch the.
What is it? Are they releasing a new expansion again?
No, they release a new, not a new expansion. They do release new expansion, but it's like no, they have a 6 week patch rotation cycle. Every 6 weeks you get a new patch, and it will exactly be 6 weeks every 6 weeks, and they don't miss that deadline. Be whatever
Patch in
it
the
may.
sense new content, right?
New,
Not new area necessarily.
yeah, not new area necessarily, but till now they have released how many new areas since they have one, two, three, four. They release an entire nation which has 5 islands.
What do you do now in Genshin, bro? Think you are a very high level player, right? You've been playing it for a long time. So what is left to do for
Bro,
you in
there's
Genshin?
nothing to do much in in the late end game. There's no end game right now, but I
So
think that is what.
is it just grinding?
Yeah, it's either grinding or for your character improvement, like you do in Witcher, right? So you grind your swords.
Hmm.
You grind character stats.
But at least that has a purpose, right? In Witcher, because in Witcher we can kind of go to quests where we feel it was a bit harder and use those swords.
Yes.
And once those are done, you cannot access
Yeah.
those
So
quests again until
we
you
have a
complete
mode
them.
called the Abyss. So in Abyss,
Okay.
currently there are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 floors. So you climb
Hmm.
the floor. So first 8 floors you have to do it once. After that you have to do only 9, 10, 11, and 12 floors. And
Okay.
it's very difficult, kind of. For Wales it is easy.
So Genshin is not a MMO, right? I mean, it
It's
doesn't
not
have
an
a lot of
MMO.
players.
It's not an MMO,
Ah,
but
yeah.
there is 4-player co-op.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so there'll be dungeons where you can party with 4 players and play.
Hmm.
I don't think they will have raid bosses or something.
Arataki Ito.
Yeah, it's voiced by one of the popular English voice actors. It's very nice. Voice is actually very people are very happy with the
Hmm.
voice acting. They spend a lot of voice acting pro. So in the last anniversary, they actually held a concert, and people lost their minds because they did not give much free stuff.
Didn't get you, bro. They launched a concert means with
They held a
voice actors.
concert, not with voice
Hmm.
actors, with all the characters. They will have their background music, right? Their specialized music team
Okay,
they will
okay,
have.
got it.
So
Is it in game?
yeah, not in game, on YouTube. They played it manually. The all the voice
Okay,
actors
okay. We thought
theme
it was
song.
something like Fortnite where we'll have concerts right inside the
No,
game.
no, no. It was a live concert in a opera house,
Oh,
and people
and people
well,
got mad instead of doing that.
you
Why did
give
you
give
not give
more
us
free stuff.
free?
Yeah. No,
Classic gamers.
yeah, because no. So MiHoYo was like I said, it was a small company before Genshin.
Hmm.
There are a lot of
Hmm.
people. There are a lot of casual players who only care about free stuff.
Ah, got it.
Yeah, it became too big, bro. That's it. I can say it became too big.
Lot of focus on this one character, bro.
Yeah, no, it's a character demo. So for every character, they release a PV video and they will promotional video, and then they will release the move set for that video as well before
Hmm.
release.
Bro, just before this February, get a Series S or Series X and play Elden Ring with me, please.
Elden Ring.
Bro, so much co-op stuff to do in Elden Ring. Yes, Elden Ring. This is
I need.
also going to be my first Souls-like game, bro. But I'm really up for the like. It's so exciting that I can take up the challenge now. That world looks so interesting. What I
Yeah,
liked about it is there is no stupid markers in the game, bro. Like it will not tell you what to do next. Hey, go here, do
yeah,
this
yeah. I
because
saw.
you're a puppet to the game developer. Nothing like
There
that.
was one.
It's up to
There
you
was
how
a.
you want to proceed.
There was a. I think I saw who was playing. I don't remember. I think it was Kill Up only. He was playing, and there was a
Hmm.
dragon watching him, and he was
Ah, yeah,
moving
yeah,
away.
and the dragons are stalking him, right? Yes,
Yes. So these.
it's very interesting.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
can end the
Sure, bro. We'll
podcast here.
catch everyone next time. And subscribe, people, if you're watching.
I am pretty sure nobody is watching.
For the future, we'll future proof this shit.